Want to unhide a chat on Viber on your iPhone? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to unhide a chat, you will need to open the Viber application on your iPhone and go to your main chat list screen. Now, you must tap on the search bar located at the very top of the screen. In the search bar, you need to type the exact 4-digit PIN code that you set when you hid the chat. As you type the PIN, your list of hidden chats will appear below the search bar, showing the hidden conversations. Tap on the specific hidden chat that you wish to unhide to open the conversation view. Once inside the chat, tap on the chat name at the very top of the screen to open the chat information screen. Scroll down on this information screen until you find the option labeled Unhide this chat and tap on it. You will then need to enter your 4-digit PIN code one last time to confirm and unhide the chat. And that's how you can unhide a chat on Viber on your iPhone, bringing your hidden conversations back to the main chat list. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.